Hello, my dear students. Myself Veena, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Government Science College, Bangalore. In this class, let us study about divided difference. In previous class, we have studied interpolation with unequal intervals of Lagrange type. Here, before going to Newton's divided difference method, first let us study about what you mean by the concept of divided difference. If x and y values are given, x0, x1, x2, x3 and y values are y0, y1, y2, y3. Then the divided difference table is given by the divided difference table is given by table is x and this is y. Divided difference is first divided difference is denoted by delta of this divided difference of f of x. See here x is x0, x1, x2, x3 corresponding y0, y1, y2, y3. First divided difference is given by y1 minus y0 divided by x1 minus x0. And this is denoted as f of x0, x1. Similarly, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 is equal to f of x1, x2. Similarly, y3 minus y2 divided by x3 minus x2 is equal to f of x2, x3. This is first divided difference. Second divided difference is given by f of, it is denoted as f of x0, x0, f of x1, comma f of x2, that is equal to f of x1, x2 minus f of x0, x1 divided by x2 minus x0. And this is f of x1, x2, x3 is equal to f of x2, x3 minus f of x1, x2 divided by x3 minus x1. And similarly, fourth difference is given by delta 4 f of x. Not fourth, third difference is given by f of x0, x1, x2, x3 is equal to f of x1, x2, x3 minus f of x0, x1, x2 divided by x3 minus x0. This is fourth difference and so on. Okay. This is known as divided difference. Let us solve first example. Prepare the divided difference table for the following data. Difference table, that is x and f of x is given. 1, 3, 4, 5, 4, 6, 10. 0, 80, 58, 190, 920. Now we have to construct divided difference table. Here, if you observe the x values, it is of unequal intervals. So we use this divided difference method, that is x is 0, 1, 3, 4, 5, 10. Not 5, this is 6. Okay. And f of x is given by 0, 80, 58, 190, 920. And first divided difference is given by 18 minus 0 divided by 3 minus 1, that is equal to 9. 58 minus 18 divided by 4 minus 3, that is equal to 40. 190 minus 58 divided by 6 minus 4, that is equal to 61. And 920 minus 190 divided by 10 minus 6, that is equal to 182.5. This is first divided difference. Second divided difference is given by 40 minus 9. 40 minus 9 divided by 4 minus 1, that is equal to 10.33. Next, 61 minus 40 divided by 6 minus 3, that is equal to 7. 182.5 minus 61, 10 minus 4, that is equal to 10.25. Next difference is given by 7 minus divided difference of third order. 7 minus 10.3 divided by 6 minus 1, that is equal to 0.66. 10.25 minus 7 divided by 10 minus 3, that is equal to 0.46. 0.46. Okay, so this is the third divided difference. Similarly, we can find out fourth divided difference also. Okay, next one, find the divided difference of the divided difference of the, or let us take one more example of a little bit different type, that is if f of x is equal to 1 by x, show that divided cube root of divided difference of 1 by a over b c d is equal to minus 1 by a b c d. See, here given f of x is equal to 1 by x. So, therefore, f of a is equal to 1 by a. F of ab is equal to f of b, that is nothing but it is also divided difference of f of b, that is b over 1 by a. Okay, or that is equal to (1 by b minus 1 by a divided by b minus a). That is f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a, that is equals to a minus b divided by ab divided by b minus a, that is equal to minus 1 by ab. Now, what is f of ABC? ABC, that is equal to f of b comma c minus f of a comma b divided by c minus a. So, that is equal to minus 1 by bc minus of minus 1 by ab divided by c minus a. So, that is equal to 1 divided by ABC of c minus a divided by c minus a, that is equal to 1 divided by ABC. Next, fourth difference, 1 a f of a b c d is equal to f of b c d minus f of a b c divided by d minus a. So, 1 divided by BCD minus 1 divided by ABC divided by D minus A. So, that is equals to 1 divided by ABC, taking LCM. Here remains D A minus D, denominator D minus A. So that is equal to minus 1 divided by ABCD, that is nothing but fourth difference of third difference of 1 by A over BCD. Okay, next, if f of x is equal to 1 by x, then f of AB and f of ABC. Find f of AB and f of ABC. So this is already covered in the previous example. Okay, thank you. We will use this in the next method, that is Newton's divided and difference. We will use this method. Okay, thank you.